Hey everyone, Mike here. So, some of you guys have been complaining that the installation setup didn't really work out, and if you try to run the code in Visual Studio Code and whatnot, you'll get this command right here, OCAML is not recognized as an internal or external command. So I'm going to try to address that fix right here. There's two ways to do it. We could do it through the command prompt, or that's what I'll first be showing, or we can address the problem through the control panel. So basically, what's going on is that the Visual Studio Code has a terminal. It serves as a command prompt, and we need to access the compiler, which is OCaml. However, Windows has something called the path. So whenever you initialize a new command prompt, it looks in the path variable and then has access to all the folders in the path. So in particular, and this is where the default installation for OCaml is. It might have changed for you guys. For me, it's in bin, and this is where all the files are. And OCaml I think is somewhere, yeah, right here. So we need to tell Windows to look at this bin. So there's two ways of doing this, and obviously if I type in OCaml right here, I get an error. So we could do the following command. So first of all, we're going to write set path, all uppercase, and write this verbose equals %path, %semicolon. Go to the OCaml folder where your installation is, and go to the bin folder, because that's actually where all the files are. And, oh, I don't want to do anything like that. Oh, wait, I did something like that. Oh, wait, delete that there. Alright, and we want to copy this, so Control-C, and then paste in the command prompt. That's right-click. It's not that you don't do Control-V, that's going to be something different. And just do that right there. So that's adding a folder or a directory to our path. Enter. And if I type in OCaml, yeah, there we go. It takes a long time to do something. If we have that unrecognized error, that'll happen immediately. The other way to do this is to go into Control Panel, and we're going to go to type in PC, View Advanced System Settings. Maybe it could take a minute. Environment Variables, Path, Edit, New, and we want to paste that same thing in there again. Again, you already did this step if you did it on the command line, but this is a more user-friendly way of doing it. Okay, and close everything out, and it should still work like there. If it doesn't, please obviously leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer. Thanks, guys.